Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the physical basics, because most volume problems are hardware or connection issues. First, check any headset inline volume or mute switch. Make sure the controller is seated and batteries are charged. Next, inspect the HDMI or optical cable and the TV or receiver volume so you know whether sound should come from the console or display. Once done, plug and unplug the headset once to ensure the jack reads properly, and you can move to the system settings. You now adjust Xbox audio settings to direct sound correctly and why that matters. The console can send audio through different outputs and formats. Go to Settings, pick Volume and Audio Output, and choose the proper output: headset for controllers, HDMI for TV, or optical for receivers. Then set the audio format, stereo uncompressed or 5.1 PCM, so the device can decode it. Also open Party Chat options and move the Chat/Game Balance slider until voices and game sounds sit where you want them. You finish by rebooting and testing because many settings apply only after a restart. Restart the Xbox, repair the controller, and test audio in a game and an app to isolate the issue. Make sure controller firmware is current under devices and streaming. Outdated firmware can mute or lower levels. If problems persist, swap headsets or TV inputs to rule out hardware. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio works on TV but not headset, reset the controller and check headset compatibility before factory resetting system audio settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.